Only 10 days. With DataStax, it took us only 10 days to go live in production.
Hi, my name is Henry Isaac. I manage the APJ Alliances for DataStax and have with me together today Puneet, who's the head of data. We have Katoni, who's account manager at AWS, and we have Ganesh, who's a partner solution architect. And we are going to today talk about the customer success story of how WakeFit, the sleep and home solutions, like how they have taken this whole GenAI chat use case from experimenting into production and now considering a lot more growth and leveraging the GenAI technology. Tell us about yourself, about WakeFit, and what you do.
WakeFit is a 9-year-old company now. We are a home solution and sleep solution company. One of the organization which focuses a lot on innovation, and now we are starting to build completely game-changing sleep solutions which are going to change the way India sleeps and the way India tracks their sleeps. We are building a solution which we call Regulate, which is going to help any of our customer to improve their sleep quality by regulating temperature of the mattress. And then we are going to introduce Track It, which is going to help you track all your body vitals and provide insights into how you can improve your sleep. From the very beginning, WakeFit has innovated multiple times in terms of cost efficiencies. You would be amazed to know that we were the first ones to introduce roll-packed mattresses in India. We are continuously innovating to help our customer sleep better and just lead a better life.
In this competitive sleep solutions market, how is WakeFit leveraging generative AI to stay ahead of the competition and differentiate your offerings?
At WakeFit, we are embracing GenAI to drive cost efficiency as well as customer experience efficiencies. The idea is to help customer get answers to their queries in a more context-driven and relevancy-driven way. The way to do that was implement a chatbot where they can ask questions about product, about policies, about warranty, and that is what we tried to implement using Amazon Bedrock and DataStax. So Katoni, awesome stuff going on at AWS and a lot of innovations happening. And with Amazon Bedrock and DataStax Extra also now available in India, how do you see customers leveraging these two technologies to drive innovation at different places?
Thanks, Puneet. With Amazon Bedrock and DataStax ExtraDB now available in India, we are seeing rapid GenAI adoption across industries. Customers are moving from experimentation to production using this AWS GenAI services and DataStax ExtraDB for personalized experiences, efficient data analysis, and automated customer support, etc. And key sectors like e-commerce, finance, and healthcare are leveraging GenAI to enhance recommendations, streamline operations, and extract insights from data. This local availability has addressed data residency concerns, accelerating AI-driven innovation in India.
Puneet, how was your experience working with AWS team and DataStax team? Anyone top of mind recall which you want to share?
So we have been working with AWS for a very long time, and recently, of course, we started working with your team and on the DataStax platform. One thing which I would like to call out is how helpful the whole journey has been. I mean, not just from the get-go of this project. Whenever we needed helps in terms of coaching, training, speaking with the experts, or in classroom sessions, we could always see that there was a synergy between the teams to always come on board, come to our offices to help us share code snippets, do online and offline sessions, work with our teams. One of the successes has been we delivered one of the chatbots in less than 2 weeks, and I don't think I can stress enough that how important this support, this knowledge sharing was to get this done in such a short span.
Do you have any tips that you want to share for a leader like you to introduce new technologies and make it work, right, along with the team, because they already have so much to do?
Most of the people in any data team or tech team are technologists, and they love exploring and working with new technology. The key thing is to support these folks and give them a framework of choosing and experimenting with technologies. There should be some room. With my team, a lot of folks wanted to work on Gen AI, but without a use case, without knowing what it is good for, what value can it drive for us as an organization, for our customers. Customer is the key. When you're implementing a new technology, if it doesn't help your customer, I don't think there's a need for it. With Gen AI, we realize that there's a lot of things we can drive in terms of cost efficiency and customer experience efficiencies. There is a little upskill that is also required. So classroom sessions, like I spoke about a few minutes back, support from different teams like yours and AWS's team. And then wherever mentorship is required, as a leader, you have to be there to support them, to guide them, and they should get enough time to fail, and there should not be a fear of failure. A failure is an acceptable answer as long as you keep moving forward. So that's what we try to do, and that's what my suggestion to other leaders will also be.
So Puneet, what other vector databases did you consider? What are the top 1 or 2 reasons why you chose AstraDB?
We looked at Pinecone, Chroma, and of course PG Vector. It was open source. Primary reason why we settled at AstraDB was, for us, it was ease of uses, how it will impact our customers. Idea is to create vector embeddings, experiment with multiple of them, and then build retrievals on them. AstraDB stood out for us in the sheer absolute capability as well as the way we could consume the whole thing and build all of these use cases in a very seamless manner.
So Puneet, what were the business challenges that motivated Wakefit team to partner with AWS and DataStax?
So Ganesh, the way it starts is innovation has been something which we have focused on for a very long time. One of the key reasons why Wakefit is so successful is that we have been focusing on cost efficiencies. We have been focusing on bringing best product to our customers. And the reason why we thought of this kind of partnership is, with any new technology, there are challenges from failure, implementation, cost, and a lot of perspectives. This engagement with Bedrock and DataStax allows us room for quick experiments, quick failures, and then we can improvise over it. Subsequently, of course, build product which are going to help our customers as well as us as an organization to improve. The key focus was time to market and bringing a product that is good on context as well as relevancy. This collaboration seemed to check all the boxes for us. So Ganesh, you have been at the forefront of partnership with Henry and his team to bring DataStax to APJ. I would love to understand how customers are reciprocating to this partnership in APJ region, and what have been your observation in terms of how different customers are leveraging the platform for implementing their use case and how they're going about it.
Thanks Puneet for the question. Many of our customers are leveraging the powerful combination of AWS and DataStax to drive innovation and achieve remarkable business outcomes. We are seeing organizations across various industries harness this partnership to build highly scalable, resilient, and performant applications. For instance, we have seen customers in fintech space using our AWS GenAI services like Bedrock alongside DataStax AstraDB offering to create innovative business use cases like creating knowledge articles from desperate internal resources, drafting investment research, loan documentations, insurance policies, regulatory communications, RFIs, business correspondence, and whatnot. Healthcare customers are another great sector where we are seeing innovation being used for use cases like intelligent patient records processing, generating draft treatment plans, etc. While there are many other use cases and case studies, we have also seen many customers vouching for the partnership. In fact, if I tell you, recently we got the chance to visit one of our customers in manufacturing space few days back, who are actually now using AWS GenAI and AstraDB for generating text for contracts and SOPs, and even building their customer service and agent assistance. One of the customers in media space is planning to go live on this stack to build their application on near real-time narrative generation from sports statistics and news. We have typically seen customers observing value of GenAI after just 2 weeks when they utilize the stacks, where we have AWS and DataStax partnering together.
Thank you everyone for joining in. One common thing that we have heard is it's all about the customer. Even AWS, they actually drive value and do what is right for the customer. And we at DataStax also try and see how we can take this together and give a very stable platform. Cloud service provider AWS and Wakefit both are happy. Thank you so much for joining us today.